Actually, I'm going to fix the install Nvidia driver does not support NVENC version. So here I'm using OBS Studio, and when I click on this start editing, start recording, then I get this message. So let's click on this updating driver, click on this search. After that you can see the version here, release, and this all. Click on this download. The download that's completed. Thereafter click on this open file. You can see Nvidia package launcher, click on yes. You can see Nvidia display driver, click on this OK, and now you can see please wait while or the file is saving on your laptop or computer. Now Nvidia graphics driver, checking system compatibility, and here click on this agree and continue. Custom recommended, here express that's recommended, custom that's advanced. So express, that's fine. Nvidia graphics driver that install completed. Click on this close, again OBS Studio, and click on this start. So this time there is no any problems because I installed Nvidia or updated there. Okay, so this is OBS Studio is now working this time.